my channel. Today I'll be making spinach jollof rice. I'm using spinach. I've got fresh ones. I'm using fresh ones and a little bit of frozen ones. I've got basmati here and tomatoes, which I've blended already. Tomatoes puree, curry. This is curry powder and chili powder, and I've got fish seasoning and 3 Maggi cubes. I'll be using 3 onions and a tin fish, but I usually use the fresh ones, but I don't have enough fresh fish at home, just a small amount, so I'll be using a bit of the tin fish in it. I'll be using a small amount of oil and another bit of palm oil. So let's get started. Okay, so I've left it to cook and I can see that the rice is all done. So I'm just going to now serve it to myself and the rest of the family. Alright, see you in the rice is all done. I'm just about to dig into the food. Thank you for watching me. Join me, watch my spinach jollof rice. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave comments however you like. Thank you. See ya.